Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the ultimate intersection of structure and wild beauty. For many homeowners, the dream is to cultivate a lush, resort-like environment right in their own backyard, but the fear of a messy, overgrown landscape holds them back. We want the vibrance of a tropical retreat, without losing the clean, organized appeal of a suburban estate. Achieving this balance is entirely possible, and it relies heavily on the concept of a manicured oasis. By grounding vibrant, maximalist plantings with highly structured borders and tranquil water features, you can create a private sanctuary that feels both wildly alive and perfectly pristine. Let's delve into the specific techniques that make this aesthetic so successful. The absolute foundation of a tidy landscape lies in its boundaries. Notice how the wildness of the planting beds is entirely contained. We achieve this through formal edging. By laying down a continuous border of terracotta-colored rectangular bricks, positioned flat against the earth, we create a sharp, undeniable line between the rich soil of the garden beds and the flawless, bright green lawn. The visual weight of the terracotta creates a warm, earthy contrast against the cool green grass, which is beautifully accented by visible mowing stripes. Furthermore, the design avoids harsh right angles, relying instead on sweeping geometry. The curving line of the brick border effortlessly draws the eye through the yard, making the space feel expansive, fluid, and incredibly deliberate. Every oasis requires a beating heart, and in this landscape, that role is fulfilled by the water feature. The focal point here is a two-tiered figure-8 style garden pond. The organic curved shape of the water echoes the sweeping geometry of the brick edging, maintaining that unified, fluid movement throughout the space. To introduce a peaceful, zen-like quality, a small, bubbling central fountain is placed within the pond. This subtle movement creates perfect concentric ripples across the dark water, lightly disturbing the small lily pads resting on the surface. The sound of moving water naturally masks the ambient noise of a suburban neighborhood, transforming the backyard into a deeply immersive, tranquil nature retreat. Now that the structural borders and hardscapes are established, we can fully embrace lush maximalism in our planting strategy. The key to a resort-like feel is extreme density and a diverse mix of textures. We aren't planting sparse, isolated shrubs. These beds are packed. We combine traditional cottage-style blooming flowers, featuring deep red, hot pink, and bright yellow clusters, with architectural and tropical foliage. Broad-leafed green plants, similar to hostas, sit alongside spiky ornamental grasses. As we move closer to the architecture of the home, small palm trees and dense ferns add vital vertical height. This highly saturated, colorful approach feels incredibly decadent, but because it is restrained behind our brick edging, it never feels chaotic. To transition gracefully from the soft lawn to the reflective surface of the water, the choice of stone is paramount. The pond is bordered by smooth, multi-toned gray river rocks that beautifully frame the water's edge, hiding any artificial liners and giving the feature a deeply naturalistic appearance. Interspersed among these rocks are flat slate stepping stones, providing a functional yet beautiful margin. Leading up to the water's edge is a small pathway made of square, gray slate tiles. The cool, muted tones of the slate and river rock provide a necessary visual break from the intense warmth of the terracotta brick borders and the hyper-saturated colors of the surrounding blooms. Finally, a truly successful landscape must harmonize with the home it surrounds. On the left, a beige stucco house with dark green shutters and a classic wall lantern provides a warm, neutral backdrop for the vibrant plantings. The dark green shutters subtly pull the color of the tropical foliage upward onto the facade of the home. To ensure this entire scene remains a private retreat, the background features a tall, dense green privacy hedge backed by a sturdy wooden fence. This creates a highly effective visual and acoustic barrier from the outside world. By combining formal edging, sweeping natural stone, and dense tropical softscaping, you can transform a standard suburban lot into a breathtaking personal oasis.